Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? We can solve this in this way that it is given that for correct answer it is given for correct answers correct answer for correct answer positive marks are given. Positive marks. For incorrect answer, for incorrect answer, for incorrect answer, negative marks are given. Right? Now, in Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. In first round, in first round, in first round, he got 25 marks. In second round, he got minus 5. In third round, in third round, he got in the third round he got minus 10. In fourth round, in fourth round, he got 15. And in fifth round, he got 10. Right? But we have to find the total score at the end. Therefore, the total score will be addition of the numbers. Right? Then we will add all the numbers. Therefore, total score. Therefore, you can find the total. Total means sum of all the numbers. Total will be first one is 25 plus second one is minus 5. You have to write in bracket minus 5 plus third is minus 10, that is minus 10 in bracket you have to write plus 15 plus 10. Right? Now you can simplify it, that is 25 plus into minus is minus, that is minus 5. Again plus into minus is minus, that is minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now we'll add all the positive integers, that is 25 plus 15 plus 10, and here it is minus 5 minus 10. Then we are getting, if we add all the numbers, what we are getting, you see, that is we are getting, we add all the numbers 25 plus 15, 30, 40 plus 10, 50. 50 minus 5 and minus 10. If we add, we are getting minus 15. Then you have to subtract 15 from 50. Subtract it, that is 5, carry 1, 2, 3, 35. Therefore, the answer will be 35 is equal to 35. 35. What is the question? What was his total at the end? At the end, therefore the answer is at the end, his total was 35. Right? Therefore, you can say that at the end, 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 his total was his total was 35. Right? 35. Let us repeat once again. For correct answer, it is given positive marks, and for incorrect answer, negative marks. In the first round, he got 25. In second round, minus 5. In third round, minus 10. In fourth round, 15. And fifth round, 10. That means if we have to add all the numbers, that is 25 plus in bracket minus 5 plus in bracket minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Then 25 plus into minus is minus, minus 5 plus into minus is minus, minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So 25 plus 15 plus 10 minus 5 minus 10. If we add all these numbers, 25 plus 15, 40 plus 10 is 50, and minus 5 minus 10 is minus 15. Therefore, we are getting 35. Therefore, at the end, we can say that his total was 35. This is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 1.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.